This week marks EMS Week, highlighting the critical work first responders do before a patient gets to the hospital. Nearly 100 emergency responders from across the Lowcountry were thanked by MUSC Shawn Jenkins Children's Hospital today. And our Emily Deanne found out why MUSC is honoring more people this year.
MUSC says it's a chance to say thank you to the law enforcement officers and EMS professionals in our community who are dedicated and passionate when giving life-saving pediatric care. 98 emergency responders from across Charleston, Colleton, Berkeley, and Dorchester counties were recognized for their outstanding commitment to pediatric care. MUSC says they know that every minute counts, especially when you're dealing with children.
It means a lot to us because it's not something that we get to see often in the field.
Crews were honored with the Shawn Jenkins Children's Hospital Challenge Coin as a small token of their appreciation. This year's honorees include law enforcement officers, flight crew members, emergency medical services care providers, and firefighters.
In the healing and recovery process, often families remember the hospital providers, but they don't necessarily remember the first responders. And these individuals are first on scene, first to provide care, usually first to determine how the outcome's going to go.
MUSC emphasized the work doesn't stop when the patient gets into the hospital doors. They say it continues through the collaboration between field and their facility.
On the call that I got recognized for today, we didn't have very many resources. We had one firefighter pull out our patient by himself. And then it was just me and my partner and one guy in the back. So it was a very stressful and critical call, but we managed with what we had.
This is the largest ceremony to date with 2 new groups of honorees.
And so we extended that this year to include the firefighters who are usually first on scene, as well as a few law enforcement officers.
MUSC says the challenge coin and ceremony are not thank you enough for those who go above and beyond to help their pediatric patients. Working for you, Emily Deanne, News 4.